Welcome back to Italian for Beginners. Lesson 3. 2 lessons in, you can greet anyone and read anything. Today, you start talking about yourself, your name, their name, where you're from, and the right level of politeness for each one. We start with the most useful word you will learn today. It means I am.
Sono. Sono.
Put your name straight after it, and you have introduced yourself. That's the entire sentence.
Sono Marco. Sono Marco.
Notice what isn't there. No word for I. Italian drops the pronoun, because the ending already tells you who's speaking. Sono can only mean I am. There's a second way, used just as much. Literally, I call myself. Odd in English, normal here. Don't take it apart. It's one piece, plus your name.
Mi chiamo Marco. Mi chiamo Marco.
That's you. Now, let's get the other person talking. Talking to someone your own age, a friend, another student, you ask it like this.
Come ti chiami? Come ti chiami?
Now, change one letter, and the whole register changes. To someone older, or behind a desk, or at work, this one.
Come si chiama? Come si chiama?
T or SI. That's the entire difference. And it's the same divide you met in Lesson 1. T for people you'd say ciao to. C for people you'd say buongiorno to. When in doubt, go formal. And 2 tiny words hand the question straight back, so you never have to ask it twice.
E tu? E lei?
When they answer, you need one word back. And you can already pronounce it. That C is sitting in front of an E, Rule 1, from last lesson.
Piacere. Piacere.
On its own, it's enough. When someone says it to you first, the reply is 2 words. Say while shaking hands. On a first meeting, Italians shake hands, not kiss.
Piacere mio. Piacere mio.
Half the introduction done. Now the other half, the question that always comes next. Same pattern as before. One version for friends, one for everyone else. Here's the friendly one.
Di dove sei? Di dove sei?
And the polite one. Listen to the middle. Dove would put 2 vowels together, so Italian glues them. That's where the apostrophe comes from.
Di dov'è? Di dov'è?
To answer, take the word you already own, sono, and add di, plus your city.
Sono di Roma. Sono di Roma.
There's a second answer. It means exactly what it looks like. I come from.
Vengo da Napoli. Vengo da Napoli.
Sono di or vengo da. In practice, they overlap almost completely. Nobody is going to correct you. Pick the one that feels easier and use it every time. For countries, Italians usually skip the country altogether and just tell you what they are. Sono, again, and this time the word after it isn't a name or a city, it's a nationality.
Sono italiano. Sono italiano.
And if a woman says it, the ending moves.
Sono italiano. Sono italiana.
That swap is worth more than it looks. It's your first sight of something Italian does everywhere. Words change their ending to match the person they describe. Properly in Lesson 13. Second group, and it's the easy one. Nationalities ending in E are the same for everybody.
Sono inglese. Sono inglese.
Here are 8 that will cover most of the people you meet. The first 4 change their ending. The last 4 never do. One last piece, and it's nearly free. You already know a third of it. Change the ending, and you get the 2 forms you need for somebody else.
Io sono. Tu sei. Lei è. Io sono. Tu sei. Lei è.
Which means you can now ask the question, not only answer it.
Tu sei italiano? Lei è italiano?
Everything together politely. Listen once. Then play it again and say Sophia's lines yourself.
Come si chiama? Mi chiamo Sofia. Di dov'è? Sono di Firenze. Come si chiama? Mi chiamo Sofia. Di dov'è? Sono di Firenze.
Quick run through everything before you go. Say each one with the speaker.
Mi chiamo Marco. Come ti chiami? Piacere. Di dove sei? Sono italiano. Sono italiana.
You can now do what the whole language exists for. Meet somebody. Before you close this, say your own version out loud. Your name, your city, your nationality. Next time we count. Numbers to 20, your age, your phone number, and a verb Italians use in a way English never would. Ci vediamo.
Ci vediamo.